Alright, downtown Seattle, February 12th, about 6 o'clock. I'm gonna go over and watch a movie here. I think Moonfall. Go back to the car because I gotta drop off something. I'm gonna come back out here. Hopefully this night scene is being filmed okay by this GoPro. Didn't bring my Sony, which is a little bit better for ISO for nighttime filming. Starbucks. Starbucks is one of the major companies that are based out of Seattle. Of course, there's Boeing, although I think Boeing moved their offices to Chicago. Boeing, you have of course Amazon, and I think T-Mobile's out here too. Alright, there's Nordstrom. Nordstrom's actually also a major employer in Seattle, along with Costco. I want to mention Costco too. Keep on zipping by on scooters these days. It's actually a very mild night, very nice. Not too cold. Looks like it's like 55 degrees or something like that. It's perfect.